Hi y'all, it's me. I was recently contacted by BEEBEECRAFT and asked if I'd like to try some products and share them with you on my channel, so I agreed. And I received my package today, so I wanted to share with you the items that I chose, and then later on I'll be back to do a couple of more videos to show you what I've created with the things that I've chosen. I will link BEEBEECRAFT's website down below for you. And for those of you that don't know about BEEBEECRAFT, they sell primarily jewelry making things like beads and findings and etc. But don't be fooled by that, because they also sell craft supplies like paper and dyes, and they sell ribbons, and they sell stamps, and they sell washi tape, and they sell tools for your crafting, they sell packaging, they sell all kinds of different items on their website, so you definitely want to check it out. And if you do decide to make a purchase by using Scrapinology 10, you'll receive 10% off your entire purchase. They also have a couple of programs that you can participate in. One is like what I am doing, and you can contact them, and I will link that link down below. If you have 100 subscribers or more on your channel, you can do a collaboration with them as well and get some items and share them on your channel. So I will put that link down below. And they also have an affiliate program that you might be interested in. And if you refer someone and they use your affiliate link, you'll earn a small percentage of money to your account. So that's a great little thing to have as well. So you want to be sure to check all that out. Now, of course, everything I share with you today, I'll have a link down below for in the event that you want to go looking for them. So I'm just going to pull out some stuff out of this bag, and we'll see what the heck I got. So the first item I got, these are called opaque beads. Now, hold on a moment. I'm not sure why they sent them this way, but they sent them in a variety of different packaging. But it's all the same bead. I'm going to set them in here so you can have a look at them really closely. These are just black opaque beads, and they are very pretty, very shiny. They have a very large hole in them, which if you're going to use them to make a dangle, it's not necessarily a game changer. I mean, you don't have to, I know that eye pins are not, of course, that size. They're much smaller, but if you have beads surrounding it on either side, it should hold fairly well. So I got a package of these, which I believe came with 70 in the package. And why, again, they sent them in all of these different packages, I'm not quite sure. But anyhow, they are still beautiful. And then the next ones I got, these are called Autumn Theme Acrylic Beads. And these look like, and I'll put them in here for you as well, these look like little pumpkins. If you hold them closely, they've got the, they have the ribbing like little pumpkins. So there's like a white, inside the bead, it's white, so it kind of helps the design to show better on the bead itself. And these are super nice. And so, of course, I'm going to do some Halloween things, if you can't tell. And I think you get 100 pieces in here, if I'm not mistaken. So really super nice beads. They have tons of beads to choose from. So the next pack I decided to get was called Christmas Wooden Beads, and it's this entire package here. You get so many wooden beads, and you not only get the beads, you get some twine, and you get some, I guess these would be considered ornament dangles or something. So if you wanted to make like those bead dangles that you see at the stores, you could do that, and then have these hanging from the bottom. They're already pre-drilled holes in them. So you could do that, which is kind of cute too. And then the beads that it comes with, there's such a variety in here. That's why I chose them. I thought it would be fun to have. So let's pull out a handful and see if I got everything. It looks like I did. So there's the striped bead. Then you have the one with the snowflake, really cute right there. You have the gold bead and the green and the red, which are super nice and very classic Christmas colors to play with. So I will be creating with these as well. And then next we have this is called the Cabochon Oval Pendant Cabochon Kit. And I'm going to go ahead and open this with you. I wanted to do it ahead of time, but this is an unboxing, so I figured I'd just wait until we were together on camera, and I would show you then. So we have this little piece here. So it comes in this nice little plastic container, and then you get a variety of colors. You get copper, gold, and silver, and these are beautiful pennants that you can put a photograph in, or something else of your choice. Here, let me pull out the copper one too so you can see the color. There's the copper, the gold, and the silver, and as you can see, they do have a little loop at the top so that you can hang it from something, and I think they're just gorgeous. I love all the different varieties of metal colors, and they also come with these glass, I don't know what you want to call them, toppers or something. It's so that whenever you put whatever you put inside of here, you add one of these to protect that image, and also it helps to magnify the image that's in there. So super, super nice. These are, I think they're acrylic maybe, or glass. They might be acrylic. So that's a really nice selection you get to play with. So those are those. And then I got a couple of more items. Let me set that over there. I don't think I need it any longer. I have two die sets that I chose. The first one is this one here. And it is just called, I think it's just called a bow die, Halloween bow die. And I did print out the picture from their website since I haven't made anything yet, just to kind of show you what you can make with this set. Really cute bows. Perfect for Halloween, which is right around the corner. So I got that set. And lastly, I picked up this set, which is called the Halloween cutting die. There isn't really a name for it except a lollipop holder, and it's has quite a few dies in here. I think 2 layers, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, because there's several different facial critters that you can add, and I did print this one out as well, just so you could have a look. So you get a Frankenstein, a pumpkin, a mummy, a cat, Dracula, and a bat. Super cute, and I know that's not such a great photo, but you'll see them when I do some samples for you. So again, I will have all of these items linked down below for you directly, so you can find them. I will also have my code down there, the affiliate link, the participation collaboration link, and their website. A lot of stuff to include down there, but it'll all be there for you. And I will be back soon with some projects that I've created with all of this stuff that I've gotten. So thank you, BEEBEECRAFT, for reaching out, and until next time, y'all, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.